Today we will be learning about young learners. Neo learns to sneeze properly. This is a good habits book. So as you can see, this is Neo and this is Bleep. They are in a park. So they are playing in a park and they just finished playing and they both are talking to each other. All of a sudden, achoo! Achoo! Neo sneezes badly. Neo, what are you doing? I could feel you sneeze on my face. Now Bleep is very angry. Ha ha ha! But how could I control my sneeze? Now Neo is amazed. You should have covered your mouth. He has a point. Neo, help me in laying the table for supper. Now this scenario is from Neo's home. They are in the kitchen. This is Neo's mama and Neo's mama is asking help to lay the table. Neo is carrying the plates and he says, "Sure mother, I will first place these plates on the table." Now this is the dining room and he is carrying the pot of curry. And suddenly, achoo! Achoo! Now Mama gets annoyed. Neo, why are you sneezing right on the food? Always cover your mouth and nose with a tissue or napkin when you cough or sneeze. Bleep was saying the same thing. I wonder why. Okay, he remembers Bleep saying the same thing. Bleep is the giraffe. Bleep was right. When you sneeze or cough in the open, you spread germs everywhere. I didn't know that. But what if there is no tissue or napkin? Cover your mouth with your hands in that case. Remember to wash your hands after that. Our teacher told us that germs can cause so many diseases. Now Neo says, I will always cover my mouth when I cough or sneeze. I shall also keep a napkin with me. And Mama says, I am glad you understood, Neo. Mama and Bleep are happy. The end.